Hello, photography friends. We are back over to West Wildlife Preserve on a very warm, sunny September afternoon. Just got out of the house today and kind of want to walk around. I haven't been over here since, I don't know, probably sometime this winter. March, maybe, I'd say. So I haven't been over here in a while. I don't know if there's going to be any activity. I did see a northern harrier, surprisingly enough, but just going to be kind of a chill, relaxing day. Maybe not as chill and relaxing and philosophical as the last video, but hopefully we'll get some stuff other than joggers running their mouths, but that's just a given over here. But anyway, let's get to it. Was cooling off, actually. Starting to feel like fall, but in New England we get like 3 falls, 2 Indian summers, a winter, spring, a second winter, and another summer. So yeah, not too surprising. We have a plane flying overhead. Because yes, and it's advertising a roofing business. I can't see the monetary value in that, but hey, you know what, roofing business? You do you, and I hope you get at least one customer today. So. Been scarce to little. Actually, those are the same words, but let's just roll with it. It's been scarce to little to no to minimum bird activity over here today. So hopefully that changes, but we'll find out, I guess. Also, I didn't have to put that plane or that roofing company's banner in my video, but you know what, more people are probably going to see it in this video than are going to see it flying over this wildlife preserve. And I say that knowing that literally no one watches my videos, so but hey, shout out to you, A1 Roofing Company. You know what I really despise about this place is how people just walk on the trails of a wildlife refuge and just talk on their phones so loud. The animals don't care about your golf game, okay? Unless you're Tiger Woods, I don't care about it either. So yeah, maybe just like walk, enjoy nature, and then shut the Well, so far, no luck. A few little birds here and there, some yellow finches and stuff like that, but not much of anything. And it's really warm, and I do not like the heat. I think it's just because of my dashing good looks combined with the hot weather. Just too much hotness in one. Sentient being, so it's hard to cool it down, path used to be more easily accessible, but you haven't been taking care of it, I guess. Hopefully there's no poison ivy in here. Guess we'll find out.
A few moments later.
Well, no poison ivy, but we stepped into a bed of thorns. On a scale of 1 to 10, how badass does that look? You can go into the negatives if you want, guys, because I understand it doesn't look that badass, actually. But it's not even anything up here, really, which is why I came up here, because I figured most people don't climb up to this little path, so there might be some birds hanging out. There's no joggers jogging up here, obviously, because they put a bed of thorns in the pathway, and now your legs bleed for the rest of the video. But yeah, no, there's no birds up here either. We picked probably one of the worst days I've been over here. I usually always see something, but yep, just a bloody leg and no wildlife. I mean, I'd say I'm sorry to disappoint you guys, but I mean, you guys know the drill by now. So if you're still here, actually, why are you guys still here? The few of you that remain. Anyway, we still got a little ways to go. Let's continue our pursuit, shall we? I need some of that antiseptic for my legs. Some antiseptic lotion for my legs. Does anyone have any antiseptic lotion for my legs? If you guys are wondering what movie that's from, it doesn't go to any movie. It's just a character I made up. It's called Whiny Antiseptic Man. So yeah. Here's a pro tip for you aspiring bird photographers like myself. I'm also an inspiring bird photographer, but also aspiring. But if you have trouble tracking birds and you live close to the ocean, there's always going to be seagulls you can practice on. So little pro tip there. I know seagulls are not the most interesting subject in the world, but sometimes you get lucky and you'll get a nice photo of them carrying off a Doritos bag or a small child or something like that. There is always the risk that they poop on your head, though, but those are the risks that you have to take. So, but just a little pro tip from me to you. I like it down here. It's nice and cool, actually, compared to walking around in the sun. So yeah, I think I'm just going to hang out with the seagulls for a bit. back of my shirt right now is absolutely drenched with sweat, which I know sounds disgusting, but if I were a female Twitch streamer, I could sell that shirt for thousands and thousands of dollars. That's equality in 2024.
He's out of line, but he's right.
And if you thought I could get a lot for my shirt,
please don't. Please don't.
just imagine how much I could get for the underwear I'm wearing right now. Listen, I'm just being real, guys. I'm telling you right now. I mean, if I was Amaranth, I would just like film myself doing nature walks all day, then just auction the clothes, pay off that mortgage in a heartbeat. But yeah, no, seriously, as long as no matter how badly your life is, you might think it is right now, as long as you're not a moderator for Amaranth or any other female Twitch streamer, you still got hope. You can still pull yourself out of the depths. But yeah, if you're a moderator for Amaranth and think that your Barbie dream house vision of you and her being together is going to somehow happen, hang your fedora up, hit the gym, reevaluate your life. Okay? Seriously. This is coming from a guy in his 40s who's doing wildlife videos on YouTube with 85 subscribers. Reevaluate your life. Okay? Well, the light's bad. There's no wildlife. It's very hot, and somehow the conversation has took a turn for the worst and drifted into Twitch streamers selling their undergarments. Just another day here at my channel. So, and I think my hair is doing some crazy stuff too. But good news is my leg has stopped bleeding profusely. So I toughed it out for you guys. I'm not a baby. I'm gonna head back to the car and call it a day, guys, because it's just too hot out here for me. I was planning on staying out for a few hours, then the sunset was nice. Take the drone up, but yeah, I don't think the sunset's gonna be anything great, and the wildlife is non-existent over here today, so yeah. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. If you made it to the end of this video, double thanks. And until next time, I'll see ya when I see ya. Take care.